Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Hey, it's Meg, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a journal with me in this altered book, which I have been working on prepping for the past few weeks. So if you haven't seen those videos, then I'll leave a link down below to the playlist where you can catch up. We did some like collaging and creating bases of all these pages, and now we're ready to start journaling in it. So as you will see by what I've got around me, I want to do some painting in this video. So I'd love to paint some like flowers or botanicals up the side of one of these pages, and I just want to take a more like art journaling approach to this journal, because I do a lot of collage and things like that in my junk journals, but I'd like to try something a little bit different and really push myself with my like painting and drawing skills, and this is kind of like a low pressure way for me to do it. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video, and I'm going to be working with my gouache, which I have just popped out here onto the lid of the tin just to work on. So this isn't going to be like a tutorial or anything, because I'm no expert on things like this, but I'm just gonna have some fun, play with some paint, and see if I can create some like botanicals up the side of my page. And I just think it would be really nice to add like some texture with using the paint, and just something a little different to the normal journal pages that I do. So I'm trying to mix up a nice pink here, and I'm going to add a bit of this green to it. So the green that's dried onto this tin, you can lift it up because gouache reactivates with water. So I'm just going to lift it up and adding green, because it's opposite on the colour wheel to red, it mutes down the pink a bit, creates a nice muted pink, which is lovely to work with, obviously with this colour palette that we've got going on. So I'm just going to mix a nice pink to work with, and I think I'm going to start working on this side of the page and just create some like wild roses type of leaves, and just use my brush to get the shape of those. So nothing too precise. I'm trying to be a little bit more abstract and less like perfect. So this might not look 100% like a rose or a flower that you will see like outside, but I just kind of want it to look like that's what it is. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to add some darker colours just in the middle. Like I said, I'm not going for anything too detailed just yet, because I will come in with my pencils once this has dried and work in the texture that way and like the detail.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
And because I'm working on different papers, there will of course be variations in the textures that I'm getting. So I can tell here that working on the like vellum tracing paper, we're really getting quite a wrinkly flower, versus working on just the paper here. So that's just something to bear in mind, is the types of papers that you're working with will obviously react differently depending on what you use. Let's see, let's go for one that is more at an angle, maybe like that, and then we'll do the leaves, or the petals rather, like this. So this flower's looking like upwards like that, and then we'll add the dark colour here.
a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
Okay, so I finished adding the paint, and I'm hoping that once I do the next step with my coloured pencils that this will hopefully bring it to life, especially with the details, because it's looking a bit like a blob at the moment. So I'm gonna come in with my colour pencils, and my favourite ones to use are the Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils. So I've got a few different greens here. I've got a variety of different greens. I also have Derwent Graphitint pencils, which might be quite nice. So basically I just want to add some more texture and some more detail, and especially with the flowers I really want to bring out the individual petals. So I'm also going to use Faber-Castell Polychromos. So I've got like a bunch of different pencils here that I've sort of collected over the years, and so I'm just going to pick out the ones that I think match this colour the best. Okay, so I think we can go for these for now, and we'll see. So I'll start with the flowers. So what I'm going to do with, where's my polychromos? With this is I'm just going to go on the edges and also here in the center, and I'm just going to try and like carve out the petal almost and work in some more of the darker areas.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are. There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on.
So I think that's everything for today that I want to do on this page. I've got a nice little journal card here inside a pocket that I can use as a journal spot. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this journal with me, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.